I'm Ryan Fiorini. I'm the founder and chief operating officer of Immunologix. Immunologix makes human monoclonal antibodies. How we're different is that we're able to make them with human tissue. So the antibodies we make are fully human. We start with tonsil tissue, and we're able to, through a proprietary process, have the cells, the B cells, make random antibodies against nearly every target. The way that we got started, this technology was invented at the Medical University of South Carolina. I saw the technology there and went through the process of licensing it from MUSC. So we still have that collaboration with the Medical University. I founded the company in 2008, and SC Launch was very helpful in that process. We were able to acquire some university startup assistance grants that allowed us to sort of validate the technology. The money went back into the lab at the Medical University from the inventor and allowed her to see if this technology could go from academic to commercial. We don't have an antibody on the market yet. Starting in 2008, the end of 2008 is when I founded the company. In early 2010 is when we actually started production, and it was really mid 2010 that the lab fully opened here, and so it's been about a year that we've been producing antibodies. Because there's really nothing better on the market, the FDA allows you to fast track it, which basically means they'll put it through the system, their system, in an expedited manner. And it potentially could be up to about a 2-year process instead of a 8 to 10-year process, certainly expediting that. And again, once the antibodies get into a human, we expect great results, and from there we see things exploding. Our clients are big pharma, even small biotech. I think the smallest company we work with is about 100 people. The largest would be tens of thousands of people. They come to us when they cannot make an antibody that's fully human. As of right now, we're the only process that can sort of synthetically induce a human antibody to be produced from human tissue. We were initially funded in early 2010 by a number of investors. Those investors were mostly high wealth individuals, but it also included the Medical University of South Carolina and SC Launch. And so SC Launch has supported us from the beginning in 2008 when the company was founded and the money went to the inventor. They also supported us and essentially bought stock from us in early 2010 and hold a minority stake in Immunologix. And so early 2010 is when we were able to make our Series A round of funding. Since then, we've been working off that funding as well as some revenue that's been coming in over the last year. The location that we're able to work in here in Charleston, South Carolina, is completely because of SCRA. This is an SC Launch. This is not something that this facility that we're in, this incubator, did not exist 2 years ago, and now there's incubators at MUSC, in Columbia, at USC, and up in Clemson. And by doing that, that saved us as a startup company a lot of money, and didn't have to purchase all the things that you see around us. We had to purchase the equipment that we needed specifically to make our antibodies. We were also able to save a lot of money on some of the common equipment that's here. For example, the 2 autoclaves to sterilize all of our different tools, and that's something that saved us tens of thousands of dollars. Also, the facility is brand new. So you don't have any problems with a brand new facility. It's great living here. Being able to live in Charleston as well as work in Charleston it is just a huge benefit. And if it wasn't because of SCRA and MUSC and SC Launch, the facility probably wouldn't have been here.